Ayun, gising na naman tayo. At may nakita lang ako ditong Welcome Cafe. Ayan. Welcome Cafe Takeaway. Ayan. So, I Love Cafe ang pangalan niya. And we're gonna try. Machine lang siya. Dito sa Spania. And meron silang, we'll see the flavors. They have cafe corto,
Leche and chocolate.
leche, mga leche, chocolate, cafe largo, or basta yun. Ayan, nakikita nyo na. Kayo nang bahala dyan mga baklaan. Dito, ito ilalagay ang pera. At hindi ko alam kung magkano, how much it is.
€1 the chocolate. Are you sure you want to drink coffee that late? You will never be able to sleep.
I think I'm just gonna have dolce leche.
Dolce leche.
Yeah. So, I think I'm just gonna have milk. So, €1. Ayan, titingnan natin. Nakita lang natin yan na dahil ganda-gandahan tayo at yaman-yamanan. Ayan, tayo papakita natin yan. Ayan. Ayan, pag naglagay ka na ng €1, ayan naglalabas mga bakla. Kasi wala yan sa Pilipinas. Dito lang ang meron. Ayun. O, diba? May lumalabas ng gatas. Gatas ng ating Diyosawa.
Now is esperar. That means we need to wait. Esperar means
Ayan.
wait.
So, hindi ko pala alam na maraming alam ang aking Diyosawa, pero ako lang ang walang alam.
Here you see that when it's
Okay.
ready.
I know.
Now it's ready.
Okay.
And you have warm
There you
milk.
go. And I have the leche. Con leche of Ivar. Skull.